Good shit mga tol, eto tinanong last February 2024 board exam. While examining the body of the victim, you notice a special wound in the body reflected by specific wound that was used. This is a blank wound. Letter A, reflective. Letter B, coup. Letter C, contricoup. Letter D, pattern wound. Kung hindi ka nagbasa, madidistract ka nito. Ang tawag dito, detractor. So in short, pampalito. Diba? Kung hindi ka nag-aral, malilito ka dyan. The word reflective, yan ang titingnan mo because of this word. Kita nyo? Ito yung keyword dyan, reflected by the specific weapon that was used. So kung nagmamadali ka, malamang ito masasagot mo dyan. Pero tandaan nyo, pampalito lang yan. Ang coup injury tsaka contricoup injury, two of the classification of injury according to the location of the wound in relation to the impact. Ang coup injury, yan yung tinatawag na direct injury. Bakit tinatawag na direct